Oh, yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because that's totally my fault, right? Man, you what? Man, fuck you! Finally to me the fuck this back. Fuck! I'm done. The car's not loaded onto its second time. Yeah, because that was my fault, right? Of course it was. Fucking ridiculous. Of course I have to hire the most fucking useless getaway driver ever. Can't even keep the fucking semi truck straight. Damn. And also activated whatever. And also I activated his fucking ability, the character special ability, and still didn't do shit. And also I failed that mission once before off camera. So you know what? Fuck it. I'm done. Wasted like 20 minutes of my fucking life. I'm not doing that mission again. Fuck you. So stupid. Fucking stupid as hell. That's kinda funny. And yes, I mean sarcastic. It's not funny at all. It's annoying as hell. I'm not putting up with this shit anymore. Wasted like fucking 20 minutes of my fucking life. I'm done. I'm not even putting up with it anymore. Sick of it. You know what? Yeah, how you like that? Fucking piece of shit. Stay calm. Stay calm. It's just a game. It's just a fucking video game. But you know what? It's extremely frustrating when you've been trying the past minutes for the last 20 goddamn minutes. I'm just done with this game for right now. It's just fucking annoying. Why the hell did I hire the fucking driver who can't even keep the damn truck straight? I knew I shouldn't have hired that guy. Lousy piece of shit. Like 20 minutes of my life wasted. Again. Again and again and again. Why not? Okay, I got let one out. Fuck! Man, had to let one out. You know what? And of course I step on whatever. You know what? I don't even feel like recording the video anymore. That's